Morning. Today's proof of life. I'm still in Uthai, Thani. I'm gonna have a bit of a rest day, largely because I'm pretty sore. So just chill out, explore town, and I'm back on the bike tomorrow. You gotta be fucking shitting me. Oh my goodness. So many fucking steps. Oh. Today's meant to be another rest day. Shit. That was a bit random, hey? Random chesty little flat there. Don't know why it did that. Maybe this valve is just like, oh, that's fucking crooked, look at that. Got a little crooked little valve. Bent. Alright, hopefully that will sort itself out. Heavy bike. Pretty much on. Better too, is it? Very good. Struggle to drill this, isn't it? There you go. Just a random flat. Time before I get out of town, so. So it happens. Oh, stay there. Hi. Thank you so much. Okay. Yeah, I really enjoyed my stay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Bye bye. Okay.
Next time you come from, you go.
Yeah, next town I'll go to Nakhon Sawan, and then to Sukhothai.
Go to Chiang Mai.
Yeah, Chiang Mai. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. I'm gonna just bum around town because I want to go to the bike shop just to see if yeah, just with this front tire, it's a little bit random. Leave it here. So front tire.
Giang này.
Yeah, I need to change. Okay.
Vừa rồi.
So I think in a tube.
Giang này.
Yeah.
Size này.
So size yeah, 29.
29.
Yeah, 29. Yeah.
29 ha.
Yeah, but 45 millimeter. Yeah. Yeah. I'll take the wheel off. Yeah, 29 now. Okay.
29.
Yep.
29 không? 29.
Yeah, 29 now. Oh, can you do? It's okay?
Changeไหม?
Yeah.
Change.
It's okay? Because I need to yeah. Look.
มีหนามกระสุน
Oh no.
หนามแทง
น้ำหนามกระสุนที่พูดไปเลย
Yeah, okay, they both?
ไม่ใช่ no
Ah. Okay.
แทงมา
Okay, so when it's pressed, it goes out.
Right.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Pick up. Okay. I don't know. Okay. So that's something worth looking at. Yeah. Yeah, ooh, this one really fun. Okay. Just take it for a little bit. A little bit too hard. Okay. Yeah, but maybe just too much.
Okay.
Yeah, just hit the back. It's okay. Let's scratch. Let's scratch. Okay.นี่โซ่โอ้
ถูกนั่นเลยแต่50 บาท
อ๋อโอเค Okay, thank you. ขอบคุณครับ There you go. So it's just why I got phantom flat. The actual seal of the rubber. How do I get out of this city? Yeah, strap main. Oh yeah, big roundabout. Okay. Just driving back. Alright, so back on the road. Just had the engine tube replaced in the front tyre. Nothing wrong with it per se, but the guy reckons it's just because of the humidity. The rubber's like separated at the seam, so whenever there's weight put on that front tyre, it just leaks out. Hence why this morning when I pumped it up and quite literally rode to the bike shop not even 5 minutes away, it was already dead flat. So he's chucked a new tube in there for me, pumped everything all the way up, and yeah, all set. So hey, got the chesty on this morning, as you can see here, try and get all the angles. It's been a great day. Rain's passed, so a lot cooler, but give it a couple of hours, it'll be muggy as fuck. About 8 kilometers today. Ooh, Valentine's. I can smell them. Oh, yeah. Can't get over that. Oh, I love that so much. Anyways, into Croc Pra now. This will probably be the first stop for me. Done a fair few k's this morning. Bike feels really good now since I had the tube changed and the wheels pumped up, so feels like I'm moving a lot faster. Also maybe because I had the rest day yesterday as well, that's helped out. More chickens. Oh, I hate that smell. Oh, yuck, 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 yuck. Something here, but I really want to use the bathroom as well. And there it is. Holy shit, Elvis. Yeah, first stop here at Croc Pra. Just down about 30 kilometres non-stop. Feeling really good. Yeah, so only about another 50 k's to go, maybe 52. Wow, it's got a great line. Oh, awesome little cut. Anyways, yeah, so I might not go through Nakhon one because I just don't want to cut through the city, so I'm going to take the outer bypass. It's a couple of kilometres, but yeah, I'll just be on main highway or similar road to what I've been done before, so it should be nice and quiet. Yeah, I'll stop in an hour or so and see what happens. Yeah, a great morning. The rain's really cooled everything off. It's still about 27, 28 degrees, but compared to 34, 35 the last couple of days, it's very refreshing. So, really good morning so far. See if I can find a little phone shop here, because phone's not charging because of too much moisture. I can't find one, it's alright. Hopefully it just dries out and sorts itself later. But ideally it would be nice. Oh, it does feel good though. It does feel fast. At the same time, I really don't want to be in here. It's never the intention. Just gotta do what you gotta do. Found one. Alright, I gotta go back. Yeah, a lot. Yeah. Okay.
ครับนะขอจัดการให้เขาก่อนเขาปั่นจักรยานไม่ได้
So, might need like a little twist or something like that. Ketika
เขาเปิดกดแล้วก็บริเวณด้านข้างจะมีปุ่มที่ก็มาให้2ปุ่มครับโดยเราสามารถที่จะคัสตอมนะครับตัวปุ่ม2ปุ่มนี้ได้แบบอิสระเลยครับเพื่อสามารถที่จะเซตติ้งผ่านตัว
oh
เทคออฟบ่อยๆปิดแล้วก็เปิดใหม่ปิดแล้วก็เปิดใหม่ก็ไม่เป็นไรลองเสียบเอาแรงนิดเข้าป่ะ
check. Okay. Ready? Oh, okay. ขอบคุณครับ Alright, turn up. Back on the main. 12 k's to go. Phisai. last stop. Train 4 k's away from where I'm staying tonight. Yeah, no more stops unless, of course, it's a nice cafe or, you know, maybe I just get hungry or I'll go for a wander. Who knows? Still pretty early in the day. Just going past 2:30, so still plenty of day left. Anyway, I think I found the reason why my phone wasn't charging. It wasn't so much the lint, it was the actual cable itself. So for whatever reason, the cable was slow charging and then just making things malfunction or very properly. So I've tucked my second cable in now, it seems to be working fine. But I'll probably pick up another spare cable, maybe from a 7-Eleven or a mobile phone shop down the road. But yeah, all good. All good. Really? On my strip. Oh, okay. That's what I'm looking for, eh? That road, that building. Oh, gee. There it is. And it's right here. Oh, well done. Reception. Oh. But yeah, I have booking Agoda. Yeah. Passport. Oh. Oh, we go. Okay, we go walking. She just moved. Oh, on the bicycle. Okay. Imagine it was only like 2 rooms down. It's pretty cute though. I'm the only one here. Oh, that's another person. Daddy. Oh, little black cat. Oh no. Oh, right there. Oh, the last one here. Oh, okay. This. Okay. Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh. Oh. Bring it back this way. Okay. Yeah, thank you. Okay, key. Thank you. Hi. Oh, that's an eventful day done. Oh my goodness me. Sweaty boy. It's just gone 5 o'clock now, so just heading to town. The accommodation's about, 2 k's out from the centre, so there's literally nothing there in terms of food and all that. So going in, there's this nice little temple just on the other side, which I'll go explore for a little bit, and then on my way out I'll stop by either the 7-Eleven or a supermarket just to get some fluids and some snacks for tonight. And then if I happen to come across a nice restaurant, I'll get some food as well. But it's a good day today. I feel fast. I mean, the extra tire pressure has helped out, and even though we had a few hiccups in terms of having to replace the tube in the front, and then having a faulty charging cable, good to know that things have worked themselves out. But this is it's a quiet town. I'd say it's a village though. 7-Eleven just passed. Make sure that lights CBD there, so check that later. Hello.